Everyone, this is Shiny. I just came to my auntie's house. Do you see a watercolor is being changed? This is nothing. This is called fish oil. 15 days once we need to give all the plants this fish oil. So 1 cork of fish oil we need to take and put it in a big bucket. It's not so big, but normal medium size bucket it is. I'll just show you the plants. I already poured the water in this. So this plant has been dried since my auntie was out station, so there was none to water the plants. So this has been dried, you can see, but now I have given fish oil so that the plants will grow very good. So you can see this also has been dried, and this again it's growing. This is one set. I'll let you know what this is. Bitter gourd. Yeah, bitter gourd plant. So bitter gourd plant has started to grow. My red spinach also has been dried, you can see, and my papaya plant also has been dried. So from 3 days my auntie is watering it. She's back and she's watering the plant. You can also see my rose plant has been dried. I just plucked all the leaves. Yes, this is my lemon which I bought in Amazon. As you know, in my first video I updated lemon plant. So my lemon plant, and in this something is growing. Oh my god, I don't know. I'll update you. And this is my double beans. Can you see the double beans? It's something lovely. It looks very good because see the leaves, it's like a V shape like this. See, this also has been dried, but okay, I'm giving some water to them so that it will get back to the normal condition. And there is a big surprise. Yeah, I'm really excited to show you something. One sec. Can you see the lady's finger? Can you see 3 ladies' finger? All the leaves have been dried, but still the lady's finger is coming out. Thanks to the God, because God has blessed it to grow, so it's growing it good. Again, I have some still more are there. I'll show you one minute. Can you see the lady's finger? Still 2 plants are left over here, and these are my new lady's finger. Yes, again in this I have 3 ladies' finger. So these fish oil water will give you a best result. And also I recently found this is beans. This is a beans plant. I will show you the, look at this, it's all hiding inside. So you can see these are spinach beans. So yes, spinach beans. This is green chili. This is green chili. And this is tinda. It's a guava kind fruit. It's called tinda. You can see in Google. It's called Tinda. I think it started to fruits are started to come. See, can you see? Again, double beans. Double beans. These are corianders. Can you see corianders? So coriander started to grow. So these are my corianders. In this I have a long brinjal. Long brinjal is there in this, and in this also I have purple brinjal. In this purple brinjal, and again here I forgot. I mostly forget all the plants' name. Whatever I plant, I really forget its name. Let's wait and see what kind of plant is this. And this is my weekend work. So as I come here on Sundays, I just put water and nutrition food to my plants. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are my plants. These are my plants. Yes. So you all can see my plants. So yes, here also I have. This is a green chili. So green chili, and this is some kind of flower. I don't know. This is jasmine. Yes. Again in this there is green chili. So here again I have put some corianders, and here some plants. Still more yet to come. And yes, almost 50% of my, not 50, 40% of my plants has been dried since there was no water for them for past 1 week, but still they all survived. After 1 to 1 week, my auntie came back and they started to pour the waters. And guys, you can see lovely lady's finger, and there are some more vegetables to come. I'm really excited to see all these things. Hope you all guys enjoy my video. Please, if you wish to do terrace gardening, please. And also, yes, I would like to show you mangoes. 1 minute. Can you see the mangoes? Can you see the mangoes? I can just put my hand. See, I can just put my hand to pluck the mangoes. I kept one instrument in my office. I'll take that to pluck all these mangoes. Sajish had made that instrument in sanitizer can. So guys, I'm going to pluck this again. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. And here I have some guava tree. So this is all Cotrus guava trees, but still we do pluck. Yes. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. Bye.